Namaste. Here's why the hearing test done in AirPods Pro 2 is not accurate and reliable. It doesn't cover the environmental noise. Usually, according to them, you can do the hearing test whenever and wherever you want, but that's not how it goes. And it also doesn't cover the test environment. Usually, the hearing test is done under a controlled noise or a controlled environment, usually an audiometric booth. You cannot do your hearing test whenever or wherever you want, even though it has a better noise cancellation. That's not the accurate or standard way of doing the hearing test to get accurate results. And then it is not a standardized equipment or a standardized device which covers all the parameters for the test. It doesn't cover any of that, and all of these will lead to a wrong diagnosis of your hearing which they are promising you, and all of this thus will affect the hearing amplification that they are going to give you based on this test. So before you are going to test any other gadget on your hearing because it's posh or whatever it is, please do visit a nearby audiologist or an ENT to relay and to get an accurate results rather than just going on online things which are fancier. And for more such videos, please do follow us. Thank you.